You can write an article. Anyone can write an article and use it to promote their website. The distribution of articles through free article directories is one of the best ways to promote your website. Even if you have never written one, there is at least one type of article that almost anyone can write. A top 10 or list article. Choose with a topic that is relevant to your website and find a good keyword for it. This is the phrase that people will use when they use a search engine to find your article. If you aren't sure how to do keyword research, just ask yourself what words you would use to search for an article on this topic. Think of an aspect of your topic that can be made into a list. You're going to write an article that has the top 10 ways to do something, or 6 simple techniques for something, or 5 questions to ask whoever. Other possibilities include 6 great ideas for, top 10 tips for, 10 secrets about, 3 steps to, and so on. Now just follow the simple outline below. Suppose the article is on ways that you can get free traffic for a website, and the key word is free website traffic. 1. Write a title for the article, using the keyword it, so searchers can find your article more easily. 6 ways to get free website traffic. 2. Write a description of 1 or 2 sentences, telling the reader what they will get from reading your article. How many ways do you use to get free traffic for your website? You'll learn 6 of the best here. 3. Sell the article in the first paragraph, using the keyword again. Free website traffic is a few clicks away if you know where to look. 4. Create a numbered list, and explain each entry with a couple sentences. 1. Write articles. This is perhaps the best way to get free website traffic. Submit your articles to article directories, and readers find their way to your site by way of the link at the end of your article. 2. Exchange links with high-traffic websites. 5. End the article with a short paragraph, using the keywords one more time. You can see that some of these ways to get free website traffic are easier than others, but why not try all of them? The real question is which will work best for your website. This summary paragraph isn't always necessary. 6. Create a short about the author or author's resource box. Have just one link to your website in it. Talk less about yourself than about why the reader should visit your site. Entice and tease. For more ways to get free website traffic, visit. This is possibly the most important part of how to write an article for website promotion. For an example of a resource box that has worked, see below.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.